Today, we will be distributing 4 wheelchairs. 2 for Council 18038 and 2 also for Council 11852.
Yung nasasakupan ng aming parokya, doon kami nag-iikot kasama sa barangay. Nagtatanong kami kung sino yung mga taong karapat dapat tumanggap ng mga wheelchair program. Nagpapalam kami sa pari, nananawagan kami after the mass.
The wheelchair are given by our sponsors, our private donors.
Mas maganda pag mayroong joint councils, mag-share po tayo ng ating responsibilidad.
One of the Knights of Columbus mission is charity, and this is our inspiration.
As a district deputy, I'm very happy to help them, and of course to see, as part of the objectives of the Knights of Columbus as charity. We are in the outskirts of Sitio Pulo. We are here to distribute wheelchairs for the underprivileged.
Sa araw po na ito ay nagpasalamat kami, naglakas loob po ang Knights of Columbus na makapagbigay po sa amin ng isang wheelchair. Ko po sana na patuloy niyo po kaming tulungan kung ano man po ang mga kailangan pa namin na hindi pa namin maibibigay sa mga nangangailangan.
Seeing them receive the wheelchair brings me joy and fulfillment, because this simple act will definitely change their lives.
We share this wheelchair to Miss Annalisa Tamayo. She is 42 years old and she has stage 4 breast cancer. The importance of having us here is for those who cannot go to church, and for those who cannot go to our council's chamber, for us to be able to understand, to be able to help them.
Ang aming role is to give 1 wheelchair for every council or district. So nakaka-inspire, makita mo yun, mobile sila.
Mobility is dignity.
Pag nakakatulong ka na alam mo na karapat dapat yung iyong binigyan, talagang napakagaan ng kalooban mo.